Hello everyone, in today's video, we will start defining the fields for the sales budget screen we created. To do this, we open the Edit application. We will load the Fields application. From the filters, we select Product Plan, then New Sales Budget and Sales Budget from the application and click Load. As you can see, there are currently no defined fields. Let's define our fields through the wizard procedure. To recall, our fields are Sales Channel, Sales Season, Fields in the Product Hierarchy, Merch Year, Merch Month, and Plan Status. Now, I need to take the Sales Channel, Sales Season, Merch Year, and Merch Month from the same pool. This is because I need to retrieve Merch Year and Merch Month information based on the calendar of the sales season selected by the user. To do this, I create a new pool and name it Sales Season Calendar. Our connection is Blue Earth. I select the Sales Season Calendar Merch Year Month view from the definition schema and click Load Data. Yes, looking at it, the fields we need are Sales Channel, Sales Season, Season Name, Sales Channel Name, Merch Year, and Merch Month. I designate that I will use this pool now. Let its scope remains as application. Let's set the refresh time to on filter change. This means I want this pool to refresh as the user changes filters. Now, let's create the fields. I drag and drop Sales Channel ID to DB field name and will show Sales Channel name to the user. I drag and drop Sales Season ID to DB field name. We will show Sales Season name to the user as well. Another field is Merch Year. I don't define any display for this. There is no problem with the user seeing the Merch Year. Also, Merch Month. Yes, we will create the Sales Channel, Sales Season, Merch Year, and Merch Month fields. First, let's rename our fields again, Sales Channel, Sales Season, Merch Year, and Merch Month. Now, I will reopen the wizard and continue. I will create another pool and name this pool Product Hierarchy. Again, I select the Blue Earth connection in the Product Hierarchy view from the definition schema. Looking at the product hierarchy data, the fields we need are Brand ID, Category ID, Main Group ID, and Product Group ID. I click OK. I drag Brand ID to create a new field. Similarly, I create new fields for Category ID, Main Group ID, and Product Group ID. I will show brand name to the user for Brand ID. For Category, I will show Category Name. For Main Group Name. And for Product Group Name. Yes, let's show these to the user more legibly by removing the IDs at the end. Lastly, let's create another pool for Plan Status. If we had defined it globally before, I would connect to it. However, for now, there isn't one. From the Blue Earth connection, I select the enum plan status view from the definition schema. When we say load data, the data we need are plan status ID and plan status name. I left plan status ID as DB field name and plan status name as display. Thus, we created the plan status field. Now, I will re-enter the wizard. Edit the sales season calendar pool, view its data again. And click the Auto Set Key Fields button to automatically define the key fields of this pool. Yes, the key icon next to Sales Channel shows us that this field is defined as a pool key field. Another button is Auto Set Filters. This ensures the sales season calendar pool automatically matches the Workspace filters. The chain icon next to the field indicates that this field is connected to the Workspace filter. This means we ensure that the data is filtered from the database according to the sales channel and sales season selected by the user. Is there anything else? I look, and there isn't. Our sales calendar pool will be automatically filtered from the database. Now, I select our other pool, Product Hierarchy. After clicking Load Data and the Auto Set Key Fields button, Brand ID, Category ID, Main Group ID, and Product Group ID fields are automatically matched. Then, I click Auto Set Filters. Thus, we also connected this pool to the Workspace filters with the Brand ID field. Lastly, we have Plan Status left. When I edit Plan Status, click Load, and Auto Set Key Fields, I will see that only Plan Status ID is matched. I know there are no filters matches this pool, so I don't need to click Auto Set Filters. I click OK. Thus, we have created the fields we need for our application. In the next video, we will create the metrics and make the application operational. Stay safe.